Marco?
We over here at the Rolls, at the Caranel right now.
Yeah, we're running the C7 tonight.
Little stock C7.
Yeah, all she has is intake. She's all stock.
They're about to find out what it can do tonight. I'm ready.
Yes, sir.
They ready. Everybody else is ready. Let's see what happens.
Yeah. I don't know, Marco. I don't know.
You got the stock C7 bed over there, and you got all this options right here. So
who you thinking?
What I'm thinking, shit. I'm thinking a little 6th gen action right here won't hurt.
Okay. I'm not gonna lie. I'm a little scared, bro. Shit. Man, I'm stock, by the way.
Hey. Man, Rolando, what you doing, man?
Damn.
We waiting on you.
Yeah, we're happy as well.
So I guess Fidel about to call out the Jaguar. Add another race to the list.
He gonna look like a... Nobody's gonna watch that.
No, not really right.
They be like, fuck. They be like, man, run some real shit. On the comment section. Send me that clip.
1, 2, 3. I don't even feel like we going that fast. God damn.
What did we even hit?
Damn, that's something else right there.
Hey, pull someone over.
Oh shit. That ain't gonna end good for him.
What did we hit? I didn't even look down.
It looked like we hit 160 around the whole limousine GMC CA right there. So right now it's looking like Fidel's gonna run this 10-speed 5.0 right here.
Full time, E85.
Gutted.
Gutted.
That's gonna be.
Gutted, like, so nice.
All right, let's see the inside real quick. Oh, he wasn't lying about being fully gutted. God damn, that's 1C in there.
Yes, sir.
That's gonna be a good race.
And on fucking 6.
Hey, you see how gutted it is? When he said gutted, I thought just the back seats. That's only 1C in that.
I've never seen a Mustang with the trunk like that.
Called carbon fiber.
It's all carbon.
That's gonna be a good race. It's gonna be a good one.
Like a bitch.
So how you feeling, Fidel?
Bro, I'm feeling like a bitch right now. I'm a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie. All right, hey, for all the viewers, hey, I'm stock, okay? I got intake, no tune or nothing. Stock, all right? Give me a month or two, and then we'll be back. All right? That second race, we were a little closer. I think it was probably my tires warming up, right? I feel like they warmed up, so I kind of gripped better. But now he still got me. Again, he's gutted, full bolt-ons.
E85.
E85, yeah, and my shit's stock as fuck. My shit's
10-speed too.
Intake, yeah, and a 10-speed. But now it was a good race. I know where I'm at now. But we had to stop early because fucking cars were right there, man. We're heading home now, but it was a good night. I didn't want to stay because I feel like this car kind of sticks out a little bit because it's bright yellow and shit. It's a Corvette, I don't know. But thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment.
All that, what do you say, man? All that. More coming soon for them, man.
So before I end this video, I would like to thank everybody that watched. I hope you guys subscribe, like, comment. I have a lot of content coming soon. I already have the cook's headers with the mid pipe and a Alki meth kit. I'm working on my editing, so cut me some slack, but I'll be posting as soon as I can. So thanks for watching, guys.